let us understand the construction of a solar cooker. A solar cooker consists of a box made from non-conducting material like plastic or fiberglass. The inner surface of the box is painted black. The use of black surface is to absorb more heat. It absorbs 98% of the incident heat radiation. The walls of the box are made thick with a lining of non-conducting material to prevent loss of heat. It has a glass cover on the top. The glass cover facilitates the retention of heat inside. A plain mirror is hinged on the top of the box. The food to be cooked is kept in shallow vessels or metal cooking pots. The outer surface of the cooking vessel is also painted black. Then it is kept inside the box. The mirror is adjusted in such a way that maximum radiation is reflected into the enclosure. These rays pass through the transparent glass sheet and are absorbed by the black box and the containers. The temperature inside the solar cooker is about 100 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius when they are kept in sun for 2 hours. This heat cooks the food in the containers. Let us learn about some of the advantages and disadvantages of a solar cooker. The advantages of a solar cooker are: the use of solar cooker for cooking saves fuel. It causes no pollution. And since food is cooked at low temperature, the food retains its nutrients. The disadvantages of a solar cooker are: the solar energy is not available in sufficient amounts all the time. It cannot be used during night time, and it cannot be used for frying or baking, which requires higher temperature. The type of solar cooker we discussed is a box-type solar cooker. Solar cookers are available in many designs of different shapes and sizes. Solar water heater. Now, we may proceed to understand the construction and working of a solar water heater. A solar water heater has two main components. One, a flat plate collector, and two, the insulated storage tank. Construction and working of a solar heater. In the flat plate collector, copper pipes with its outer surface painted black are fixed in the form of coil and is kept in a box covered with glass. Bending of pipe helps to increase the surface area for heating. A reservoir or storage tank is kept at a higher level. It is used to store cold water, which is connected to a small tank kept slightly above the flat collector. One end of copper pipe is connected to the bottom of small tank of water, while the other end is joined to its middle. The water in the tank continuously circulates through copper pipe due to small pressure difference between two ends. As water slowly moves through the copper pipe, it absorbs solar radiation and gets heated. The normal water again goes into the tank, while the cooler water enters the copper pipe from the lower end. The water in the tank thus gradually heats up. Hot water is lighter and it remains in the upper part of the tank. The hot water can be drawn through a tap. The cold water in the reservoir replaces the hot water drawn out from the storage tank. Solar dryer. As you infer from the name, it is used as a dryer. It is used to dry grapes. What do you call dried grapes? Dried grapes are called raisins. Solar cells. Solar cells. Can you identify this picture? Well, these are solar cells. Solar cells are devices which directly converts solar energy into electrical energy. These are also called as photovoltaic cells. Modern solar cells are made of silicon. Silicon is easily available in abundance and it is environmental friendly. Solar cell consists of a number of thin layers of silicon. They convert solar energy into electrical energy. A typical solar cell is a 2 centimeter square piece of silicon which produces about 0.7 watts of electricity when exposed to sunlight. Hence, large number of solar cells is combined together. Such a combination of solar cells used to produce enough electricity is called a solar panel. Let us list down some of the uses of solar cells. Solar cells are extensively used as a main source of energy for artificial satellites. They are used as source of energy for radio or wireless transmission at TV relay stations, traffic signals in the remote areas. They are widely used in calculators and toys. And they are also used to pump water for irrigation, for lighting the rural area and remote villages.